Hi, what's up guys, Gnome PCs here with a fresh new gaming PC build. Today I'm gonna be talking about what I believe is the best gaming PC you can build with a budget that's under 600 euros. The links to all of the components will be linked below in the description. First off, for the PC case you can actually choose whatever you want, but I went with the Corsair Carbide 100R standard just because it's a cheap case that still's good and doesn't look too cheap. Then for the GPU or the graphics card, I went with the MSI GeForce GTX 1050 Gaming X2G since I think it's a really good GPU, for what it costs. It also features the Twin Force method, which makes it more silence while cooling. For the CPU or processor, I found the AMD FX 8320 to be the best in this price category. It features 3.5 GHz and has 8 cores, which makes it great for multitasking. You can also overclock it to 4.3 GHz. You may need to buy a cooler appart, but most of the time it comes with the CPU. The motherboard was kinda tough to decide which one was the best in this price category because of the AMD processor, but finally I concluded that the best one I could find one that suited well, the MSI 970 Gaming. It has 4 memory slots which allow RAM up to 32 GB, but you probably won't be using that anyways. It has a lot of USB ports, so if you are worrying about that, this motherboard would be good too. For the RAM I decided to go with the Kingston HyperX Fury DIMM DDR4 2x4 GB, which you can buy in a SAT. It has 2133 MHz and just in general it is perfect for gaming and it is still affordable. For the last component, the power supply, I went with the Corsair Builder CX450M because I believe Corsair is by far the best brand for power supplies, and in this price category it is the best, I think. Sadly enough, with this budget you cannot really do any crazy stuff, but with this setup you should still be able to get some good performances on most of the games. I hope you liked this video and it helped you out. Until next time.